Alright, I got the bed all set up and sheets, everything on. It's a 5-inch thick mattress, but it feels pretty comfortable. I got the blinds up, both blinds up, and I've got cookies stuff here. I might go down to just one water and then be able to move stuff over so I can get my nightstand right there. And the nightstand has, you plug it into the wall and it has a USB port for charging your phone and like another outlet. But the only other outlet is over here, so I'm going to have to run an extension cord. But it fits pretty good. And then I don't know if right here you can get like a dresser. I don't think so. I don't really want, I mean, I could get a dresser that's got space on under the dresser so that I think that air exchange works. So I cleaned it all out, so I could just set it over top of there and see what my distance is. Probably get something pretty good, or just go into this bedroom back here, which is a mess. I'm not even going to show it. Get that all cleaned out and have a dresser in there. And I got all kinds of junk in this closet, so we're gonna take that junk out and take it upstairs, get rid of some stuff, and then put clothes in there. But bedroom's all done. Next thing, dining room table. Dining room's all done. This is the upstairs. Star projector came on at 7:14, I think. I got it going real slow, and I haven't shown anybody up here this, so we got the bed over here and the air conditioner. It's not running. That fan fell down. And then I just got the windows open. Sounds like it's raining. And got this couch up here, corner couch, and then a table to do stuff on. So got the chair. So I'm thinking about trying to get a TV back in this corner here, have it angled so it's facing straight at me. That way I can see, you know, from my bed, or maybe buy one of those mounts that has a swivel. But I'm gonna have to get a good TV because some of those Hisense brand, they're not very good reviews online. A lot of them quitting and having to send them back. So I want to get like a Samsung or something like that. But got all the carpet in, and this couch is pretty cool to chill on. And the bed's really nice. It just gets hot up here. That's the only thing. I have to turn that air conditioner on. So that's why I got that bed downstairs. I can sleep down there. So I also got handrail. And we were lucky enough to find 3 of these black of them. They look really cool. So 34 to 38 inches above the angle right there, and it should just take 3. I just got to find the studs. Got a stud finder. It just keeps going off when it's around me, so hopefully I can use it. But that's the update so far. I'll get this dining room table together and maybe make another video. I don't know if I'm going to do that tonight, but clean out my kitchen a little bit because I've got that closet space. I don't know if I haven't shown that. So closet space, got painting stuff under there. I built a shelf that was a little bit shorter than that shelf. Found the studs through here. The studs were just crazy, not 16 inches apart like they're supposed to be. And I got a hook up there, one hook, and I got more hooks in there that I'm gonna put there. And I just got containers and storage stuff and paint and all that crap down there. Found a carpet kind of cleaner for your car or something like that. So that should come in handy. And I store like my air fryer and deep fryer in here, and the litter, garbage bags, grocery bags to take for work, my tools. So this turned out really good. So I'll make this, I don't know, this room seems like it might be next, or maybe the back bedroom back there, but all the hardwood floors have to get redone. So I'll finish all this, and then I'm gonna have to like really go at it to do the hardwood floors, because you're gonna have to do one room at a time, and then you got to rent those things. They're like $50 for 24 hours or something, so you got to really bust your ass, or you can rent it for a week. It's a little bit more, but everything turned out good in here, and the bedspread, it's nice and it feels okay. I mean, I can sleep on it. So that's it.